When you have a local business, it's easy to stick to what you know when it comes to marketing your business. Creating a marketing campaign may feel like second nature to you, but it's worth asking yourself if the techniques you're using are outdated. Is there a better way in which you could be reaching your audience? In this video, we'll explore some tips and techniques you can use to ensure that your marketing campaigns are successful. Let's get started. Why local SEO? Local SEO is a great way to build a successful marketing campaign for your local business. You'll find that 90% of searchers haven't made up their mind about a brand before their search. This means if you can rank in the top spot for your website, you'll have a great chance of success. Local SEO is an easy way you can build up your audience and expose yourself to more of your local clients. Let's look into how you can make local SEO work for you. Google My Business. Ranking your Google My Business listing in Google can be one of the most powerful tools for your campaign. If you can rank in the top 3 of Google My Business rankings, you'll get a significant amount of traffic without buying ads. It works by combining all your different Google platforms into one location. This includes your Google Plus profile, Google Maps, your Google reviews, and access to other Google Insights. This tool gives you immediate credibility online and a lot of visibility. If you run a local business, this should be your #1 priority. Google Adwords. There are over 40,000 search queries a second on Google. So it's no surprise Google Adwords is competitive, expensive, and powerful in making a real difference in your marketing strategy. Even though Adwords is an ad network, the goal is always focused on the end user. Google will assign a quality score to your ad based on different factors such as click-through rates, relevance, and landing page quality. This quality score factors into the bid price you'll pay for your ad to display. Content marketing. With long-form blog articles generating 9 times more leads than short-form blog posts, it's easy to see the value in content marketing for your business. Content marketing ties itself into SEO and is one of the best ways to build a good brand for your business. Content marketing very much focuses on generating long-term results, not a short-term win like you might get with AdWords. Content marketing isn't easy though. It requires a lot of different elements to be successful, such as quality content, relevant topics, SEO, mobile optimization, and constant publishing. Email marketing. Email marketing is the cornerstone of internet marketing for many marketers. Keep in mind, most people who visit your site aren't going to buy from you immediately. Capturing contact information for lead nurturing and additional marketing is one of the best ways to sell. In fact, email is still one of the highest converting mediums available for converting your leads into customers. Once your customer subscribes to your email list, you'll have the opportunity to deliver valuable content to them directly. This can then lead to selling products once you've established their trust. Now that you've got a better understanding of creating a marketing campaign, it's time to start growing leads and building exposure for your local business. For more support on growing your local business online, contact us today. You can also visit our website for more tips and tricks. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.